Hey there, Health Action community. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into simple, natural ways to feel your best. Today, we're talking about something pretty incredible. A remedy that's been around forever, but still blows my mind with its versatility. We're diving into the magic of two everyday ingredients you probably have at home: castor oil and baking soda. These two humble heroes, when combined, can tackle a surprising range of health concerns, from achy joints to pesky skin issues, and so much more. I've spent years exploring natural remedies, and this duo continues to impress me with its power and simplicity. In this video, we'll break down why this combo works, how you can use it safely, and when you might want to skip it. If you're looking for natural ways to support your health, stick around. This might just be the game changer you've been searching for. Plus, as a big thank you for being here, we're giving away 100 free copies of my book on natural wellness to our subscribers. To enter, just hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment telling us why you'd love to win. Alright, let's jump in. Why castor oil and baking soda are a powerhouse duo. So, what makes castor oil and baking soda so special? Let's start with castor oil. This thick golden oil comes from the seeds of the castor plant and has been used for centuries in natural healing. Its secret weapon is ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that's a superstar at calming inflammation and easing pain. It's like a soothing hug for your body, helping to nourish and heal from the inside out. Then we have baking soda. That trusty box sitting in your kitchen. It's not just for baking or cleaning. It's got some serious health benefits too. Baking soda is naturally alkaline, which means it can help balance out excess acidity in your body and tame inflammation. When you pair it with castor oil, you get a combo that's gentle yet incredibly effective for a wide range of issues. From soothing sore muscles to clearing up skin woes, this duo is like a Swiss Army knife for natural health. Let's dive into the specific ways this blend can support your well-being. We're covering 19 amazing benefits that can help you feel better, look better, and live better, all with two simple ingredients. 1. Glowing, healthy skin. If you're dealing with dry skin, scars, or minor cuts, this blend is your new best friend. Castor oil is a hydration powerhouse packed with fatty acids that lock in moisture and strengthen your skin's natural barrier. It even encourages your skin to produce collagen, which keeps it looking plump and youthful while helping fade scars and stretch marks over time. Baking soda steps in with its gentle exfoliating magic, sloughing off dead skin cells to reveal the fresh, healthy skin underneath. Plus, both ingredients have natural antimicrobial properties, so they can help keep small cuts or scrapes clean and free from infection. How to use it? Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda to make a smooth paste. Apply it to dry patches, scars, or minor wounds and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Try this daily, and over time, you'll likely notice smoother, healthier skin. It's like a mini spa treatment at home. 2. Easing joint and muscle pain. Sore joints or muscles got you down. Whether it's from arthritis, a tough workout, or just life's wear and tear, this blend can help. Castor oil's ricinoleic acid works to reduce inflammation and ease discomfort, while baking soda boosts blood flow to help the oil penetrate deeper into those achy spots. Together, they're like a warm, comforting balm for your body. How to use it? Combine equal parts castor oil and baking soda, about 1 tablespoon each, to form a paste. Gently massage it into the sore area, then cover with a warm towel for 30 minutes. The warmth helps the mixture soak in, giving you that extra dose of relief. Use this after a long day or post-workout to relax and recover. 3. Boosting circulation and lymphatic health. Good circulation is key to feeling energized and healthy. It ensures your cells get the oxygen and nutrients they need while flushing out toxins. Castor oil and baking soda can give your circulatory and lymphatic systems a natural boost. Castor oil stimulates lymphatic drainage, helping your body clear out waste, while baking soda supports better blood flow. This is especially great if you're feeling sluggish, swollen, or dealing with chronic fatigue. How to use it. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Massage the blend into areas where lymph nodes are concentrated, like your neck, armpits, or groin, using gentle circular motions. Spend about 10 minutes massaging, then rinse off. Do this daily to feel lighter and more energized. 4. Soothing digestive discomfort. Bloating, gas, or constipation can make anyone feel off. Castor oil has been a go-to remedy for digestion for ages, helping to gently stimulate your intestines for smoother bowel movements. Baking soda complements this by neutralizing stomach acid, reducing bloating, and calming your tummy. Together, they're a dynamic duo for digestive wellness. How to use it. For topical relief, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and massage it onto your abdomen. Cover with a warm cloth for 30 minutes to enhance absorption. Important. If you're considering taking castor oil internally, up to 5 drops, check with your doctor first to make sure it's safe for you. This simple routine can leave you feeling lighter and more comfortable. 5. Fighting fungal infections. Got athlete's foot or nail fungus? Castor oil and baking soda have got your back. Both ingredients are naturally antimicrobial, meaning they can tackle fungi head-on. Castor oil penetrates deep to break down fungal barriers, while baking soda creates an environment where fungi struggle to survive. It's a gentle yet effective way to support healing. How to use it. Mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda, 1 tablespoon each, into a paste. Apply it to the affected area, let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Repeat twice daily until the infection clears. Your skin will thank you for the TLC. 6. Detoxing. Naturally. Your body is always working to clear out toxins, and this blend can give it a helping hand. Castor oil supports your lymphatic system, which is like your body's waste removal crew, while baking soda helps balance your pH levels for smoother detox. This is great for anyone dealing with inflammation, swelling, or low energy. How to use it. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Massage it into lymph node areas, neck, armpits, or groin for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. Do this daily to support your body's natural cleansing process and feel more vibrant. 7. Calming insect bites and rashes. Insect bites or itchy rashes can be such a pain. Castor oil soothes inflammation and hydrates irritated skin, while baking soda neutralizes the acids causing that itch. Together, they're a quick fix for red, irritated skin. How to use it. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply it to the bite or rash. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. You'll feel relief almost instantly. It's like a natural first aid kit. 8. Fading scars and stretch marks. Scars, stretch marks, or uneven skin tone can feel frustrating, but this blend can help. Castor oil's deep hydration and collagen-boosting properties work to repair and regenerate skin, while baking soda gently exfoliates to reveal fresher skin. With regular use, you might see those stubborn marks fade. How to use it. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Massage it into scars or stretch marks for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Use daily for smoother, more even-toned skin. 9. Clearing up acne. Oily skin or acne driving you nuts. Castor oil might sound like the last thing you'd put on oily skin, but it actually helps balance oil production while fighting acne-causing bacteria. Baking soda unclogs pores and exfoliates, leaving your skin clearer and less greasy. How to use it. Mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda, 1 tablespoon each. Apply to acne-prone areas. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week for a brighter, healthier complexion. 10. Nourishing hair and scalp. Dreaming of thicker, healthier hair? Castor oil is a hair growth superstar, nourishing follicles and promoting stronger strands. Baking soda exfoliates your scalp, clearing away buildup that can clog follicles and cause dandruff. Together, they create the perfect environment for happy, healthy hair. How to use it. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Massage into your scalp. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Use once a week for shinier, stronger hair. There you have it. Health Action Fam. 19 incredible ways castor oil and baking soda can support your health and wellness from head to toe. This simple, natural remedy is proof that sometimes the best solutions are the ones nature's been offering us all along. Whether you're soothing sore joints, clearing up skin, or boosting your energy, this duo is a gentle, effective way to care for yourself without harsh chemicals. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Health Action for more natural health tips, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to comment below for a chance to win one of those 100 free copies of my book. What health issue are you most excited to try this remedy for? Let us know and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay natural, and keep taking action for your well-being.